Hello friends, welcome to the Kyotaro Surprise channel.
No. No. Ah!
Oh, come on.
Now, let's start the story. Hello friends! Today's story is that POCHACCO doesn't have ice cream to sell. Today, what clothes will I wear? I will wear this blue shirt. And I will use these accessories. But I don't have ice cream to sell. Never mind, I will sell. I need money. Hi POCHACCO, I want to buy. What do you want to buy, mymelody? Where is the ice cream? I don't have ingredients to make ice cream. So, what are you selling? I only sell this cone. Okay, I'll buy it. I'm hungry. Just wait there. I'll get it. While waiting, I wash my hand first. POCHACCO, where's my cone? This is your cone, Melody. Thank you, POCHACCO. Looks like this can help me when I'm hungry. My melody is for you. It's free. I'll give you a bag. Wow! Really? Yes. Thank you, POCHACCO. Okay, I'll get it in a moment. This is the bag, my melody. Wow! It's so beautiful! This is for you! Thank you, POCHACCO! You're welcome! I will eat this ice cream! Oh, it's a pity that my melody can only eat that cone. Are you done, my melody? Yes, I finished, POCHACCO. I think now I'm going back to my house. Okay, my melody. See you next time. Okay, POCHACCO. Bye. Bye, my melody. The melody sure is sad. Okay, friends, that's today's story. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Looks like I'm going to buy the ingredients to make ice cream. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye, everyone.